In this video, we will learn how to create fur in Blender 2.81. First delete the default cube, then add a UV sphere. Also shade smooth the sphere. Now go to Particles Settings, and click on the plus sign, then select Hair, decrease the hair length a bit. Now under Source, select Volume from the Emit From option. Now mark the Advanced option, then and below select Physics, and under Forces, increase the Brownian value a little. Then under Viewport Display, increase the steps value to maximum, which is 7. It will make the bending of hairs less pointy. Now under Children, select Interpolated. Then under Clumping, increase the clump value. Also you can increase the shape value a little. Now an important note to beginners out there, you don't have to put the exact same value I did. Play around with all these different settings and see what looks better for you. Okay, now after adding a plane as background, assign a color to our ball. And then also to the plane. Then go to render mode to see the effects. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with another tutorial video soon. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel, and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future uploads.